Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're kicking off with our very first Arduino project, blinking an LED. It's super simple, but a great start for beginners. Now, what do we need to get started? First up, an Arduino Uno board. This is where we'll be writing and uploading our code. To power it and transfer the program, we'll need a USB cable. Then, we've got a 220 ohm resistor, and of course, an LED. We're using a blue one today because, well, blue just looks cool. We'll also grab some connecting wires, red for positive, black for negative, and finally, a breadboard to help us build the circuit. Alright, let's dive in and make this LED blink. Alright, let's jump into coding. We're going to use the Arduino IDE for this. I've already created a new project, and by default, it gives us two functions. First, we've got setup, where we'll put all the setup code. Then there's loop, which is where the magic happens because this is an embedded system. Once it starts, it keeps running until we power it off. So, all our main code goes into that loop method. Now, let's write the code to blink an LED. First thing, we need to define a pin. I've connected the positive side of the LED to pin number 2, so I'm setting the LED pin to 2. That's the pin number on the Arduino Uno board. Next, we have to tell the code what this pin is going to do. Is it an input or an output? Input pins are used to get readings from sensors. But today, we're sending voltage to make the LED blink, so we need to make this an output pin. We do that with the pin mode function. Just like this, pin mode, LED_pin, output. That tells Arduino to send voltage out through pin 2. Boom! Setup is done. Now, let's move on to the loop. This is where we'll actually blink the LED. We're going to use a built-in Arduino method called digitalWrite. This will write either a high or low voltage to the pin. So, I'm going to write digitalWrite, LED_pin, high. High means the pin gets 5 volts, and the LED lights up. Let's go ahead and compile this code. If everything looks good, we'll upload it. Now let's upload it. Now, when you look at the LED, it's glowing, but it's not blinking yet. Why? Well, right now, we're just sending continuous high voltage. To make it blink, we need to switch between high and low voltage. So, here's the thing, right now we're turning the LED on, but we need it to blink, right? To make that happen, we need to alternate between turning the LED on and off. We're going to use the digitalWrite function again, but this time, we'll write the LED pin to low to turn it off. Now, here's the catch. Without a delay, the blinking happens so fast that you won't even see it. It'll look like the LED is just staying on. So, to fix that, we need to add a delay. In Arduino, there's a super handy method called delay, and we're going to use it to pause the code for a moment. I'll add a delay, 1000, which is 1000 milliseconds, or 1 second. What this does is give us a 1 second pause between the high, on, and low, off, states. So, the code will turn the LED on, wait for 1 second, then turn the LED off, and wait for another second. Basically, once the Arduino board starts up, it will set the pin to high, the LED will light up, and then we wait for 1 second. After that, it switches to low, turning the LED off, and we wait again for 1 second. But remember, this is all inside the loop function, so the code keeps repeating. After it turns the LED off and waits, it jumps right back to the beginning, turning the LED back on, waiting 1 second, and so on. That's how we get the LED to blink continuously. Now, let's go ahead and run this. We'll compile the code and check if everything looks good. Once it's done compiling, we'll upload it to the Arduino board. And boom, you should see the LED blinking. It's turning on, waiting for 1 second, turning off, waiting for 1 second, and just repeating. High voltage, wait, low voltage, wait, and it keeps going. This is the beauty of the loop function, it just keeps running the code over and over again. So, if we power off the Arduino, the LED will stop. But once we power it back on, it picks up right where it left off and starts blinking again. This is the foundation of how most Arduino projects work. You've got your setup function that runs once at the beginning, and then your loop function that keeps everything running continuously. And that's it for blinking a single LED. In our next video, we're going to step it up a notch and work on blinking 3 LEDs at the same time. So, make sure to stay tuned, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.